Hey guys, welcome back to Spanky's. In this episode, we're going to paint some headers with the Cerakote high heat paint, air dry. Don't go anywhere. Alright, so I'm going to start off by using my small paint gun that didn't cost much. We'll see what it does with that. And we're going to do it outside. I'm not going to do it in the paint booth. I'm not sure what all this has in it, and I don't want it to affect anything that I normally spray. I have wiped down the headers with acetone. Just simple, clean strip acetone. And now this is the C-Series Cerakote. The C-Series air dries. It's a high heat ceramic type paint. I'm gonna shake it well. I've already shook it a lot. It says shake it well that the solids will go to the bottom. So it's supposed to be pretty simple, ready to spray. Like I said, this gun here, I would consider it a throwaway gun, just in case it doesn't clean up. It stinks. I do have a respirator outside. It's already making a mess. So this little bottle here was about 140 bucks. Once again, they did not give it to me. Seems to be pretty diluted. All right, let's go see what kind of damage we can do. All right, so here we go. Final result. You can see some of the pitting. These are older SSI headers that came off the 911. And media blasted them. And here they are with a Cerakote titanium finish. Still got another hour or two to cure out here in the sun. And it's only about 70 degrees, 65, 70 degrees. So it may take just a little bit longer to cure. But hey, I used very, very little of the paint. Very little. So that was kind of depressing. I probably should have bought the $30 sampler or the $70 one. But no, I sprung for the $140 kit. And like I said, I only used a fraction of it. So just keep that in mind. And these have got the heat exchangers on them for the heater of the car. So that's what you see here. This is all heat exchanger. The headers are actually in great shape. The heat exchangers, after bead blasting, you can see some of the pitting and the little areas. But hey, if the heat only works 80%, that's fine with me. All right, guys, there you go. Well, guys, there you go. You see the headers? They came out great. I'm happy with the finish on them. I think they're going to last much, much more time. I'm going to drop a photo of the motor in right after I get through speaking to you. But hey, if you're through watching, head on over to Spanky'sHotRods.com. Grab yourself a t-shirt. They're flying off the shelf. I'll put about 500 more in, and we've got them. And I think we're probably down around 250. So we've sold about 250 t-shirts in the last month or two. So run over there and get you some of those. Anyway, thanks for watching. And now if you're through watching, get out in the garage and go build something.